Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking, and on today's episode I'm so excited to show you how I make my version of Vindaille Orite or Octopus Vindalou, if I want to translate this in English. The ingredients are, let me start by the onion. I'm using a red onion. This is one big onion and I cut them into big chunk like that. If you have those small onion that we always use in Mauritius, it's easy to get. Yes, here in Canada we do get it, but right now this is what I have on hand. I don't want to go shopping. It is snowy outside. The weather is really bad, so I am using this red onion and I cut them into big chunk, and then some green chilies, some mustard, and this is the whole mustard seeds, and I blend them myself, and I'm gonna use a couple of teaspoons from here. It's about 3 tablespoons of garlic paste. There's no ginger in it. A little bit of salt. And for the octopus, I am using frozen octopus. What I did is I boiled the octopus until it's tender, like really tender, and then I try to remove most of the skin, the browny skin. If you do like to have the skin in your dish, just leave it, that's your choice, but I like to remove like most of it. Let's go to the stove and then we're gonna start cooking it. My pan is heating with about a cup of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use vegetables oil. And to that, I'm going to add the garlic paste. The oil is not that hot right now. You don't want to put your garlic in too much hot oil so they burn. I want this garlic to infuse with this oil. So just give it about a couple of seconds or about half a minute. This will be fine. Add your mustard. And then we also need turmeric powder, which I forgot to mention earlier. You see now that the oil is hot enough. You can hear, you can see. Add your octopus. Give it a mix. Salt to taste. Add your green chilies, and the heat is on low right now. I want this to cook on low flame. And now you're gonna add all this onion. This is one large onion. If this is too much for you, you can use half of it, or just one is small, but I like onion, like lots of onion in my Vindaille. And now you're gonna give this a mix and then let it cook on low flame. Okay guys, my Vindaille Orite was on the stove on the low flame for 10 minutes, and then I did not stir them time to time, just occasionally in between, so nothing breaks. The onion stays as is, and then the octopus is so small, that's why you can't really see them. The green chilies, everything is perfect. I have already tasted them. The salt is fine. Get the recipe down below. I will see you next time. Bye.